Once you've established where your cups are going to go on the finished base material, you're going to want to set up a little bit of a workstation. So what I like to do is use some kind of a cushion or padding. Here we're just using some cardboard, a pail, and something to kneel on. And what we're going to do, this is our cup location, we just want to be able to break up the area where we're going to dig out for our cups. So we'll show you later an installation method utilizing some of the corrugated pipe, but in this area around in here, we want to try to make our hole about double the size of the cup, so about 10 inches or so across. And what you can do is just use a hammer, I like to use, or something to just kind of have a controlled area that you're going to break up, so that then we can start removing some of the base material. And then something I like to use to kind of keep it controlled is a stiff plastic cup. This is just a cutoff from a Gatorade bottle. This allows us to scoop up and keep the area clean as possible. And when you get into a deeper hole, this allows you to be able to get the cup down in and work it around and really clean up the material. And we'll show you what a finished hole looks like in just a moment.